we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting Native American names both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as Powhatan, Powhatan, Powhatan. In American English, however, it is usually said as Powhatan, Powhatan. You do want to stress on the last syllable, Powhatan in American English versus Powhatan in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.